For me, business-wise, make sure you're ready.
Yeah.
And when I say make sure you're ready, that's even make sure you're ready before you put yourself out there to even start taking someone's money.
Right.
Because your name is your brand.
Absolutely.
All day. So the one thing you do not want to do is say, hey, yeah, I take pictures. I do pictures. I charge this, and you're not ready. Because it takes one client that, oh God, no, to start messing your name up. But make sure you're ready. And then when you are ready, make sure your paperwork is in order. Make sure you have a name. Make sure you start at least with the EIN and a DBA. Even if you're not ready to run and go do the whole LLC or the S Corp, make sure you have that, that paperwork. Because the one thing I would hate is for somebody who is, excited about, I take beautiful pictures, I'm ready. And then you go book a wedding and they're like, this is not what I asked for. I'm suing you.
Right.
For me, the most important thing is to figure out what it is my client wants. Yeah. I need to make sure we're a good fit before I even say, okay, yes, I'll book you. Because if I know I can't give you the look that you're going for, right, I'm going to refer you to somebody else. And even if I feel like it may not be a good vibe,
yeah, I
can refer you to somebody else. You know what I'm saying? And that's one thing I encourage a lot of photographers, not even photographers, that's with any type of business. Not every client is your client.
Right.
And you have to be responsible enough to say that, because you'll mess yourself up, you'll mess your name up, your business up, you'll get somebody else, get them jacked up, especially, again, if it's like a wedding or a corporate type business. You don't want that. That's one thing I try and find out, exactly what it is, try and make sure we are a good match. And, I try and get you to open up as much. I don't like to talk. I don't. And people will be like, but you were like all over the place, but I really don't like to speak. I like to be in the back.
Yeah.
So like, for me, it's like I'm in my happy place.
Yeah.
I light up especially when somebody's like, come on, let's do it. Let's go. So you got to make sure you're that match.